Bienvenida a Tijuana, bienvenida mi amor, de noche a la mañana, bienvenida mi amor, bienvenida mamacita, I'm en ruta a Babilón, bienvenida a la cena, sopita de camarón.
Carnal is a modern-day action drama set in the underworld of the Tijuana drug cartel. It's a tale of blood, power, deceit, and the price that two brothers would pay to make their dreams come true. Diego and Andres are from a small town in Mexico where nothing ever happens. Facing a life of obscurity and against their father's wishes, they risk it all to cross the border when everything goes horribly wrong. The two brothers are deported and left to the cold streets of Tijuana, still determined to cross. They resolve to stay and work to save enough money to try again. This decision casts the brothers into the underbelly of the drug cartel when Diego foils an assassination attempt against Roman, the son of the head of the cartel, Don Marcino. The brothers are taken into the organization where they quickly prove their worth. Andres still struggles to keep his brother focused on their original dream as Diego is seduced and consumed by their new lives. Diego changes forever the day he stumbles onto the opportunity to settle an old score with two border patrol agents. Diego proves himself resourceful as a drug dealer and is taken under Don Marcino's wing, much to the distaste of Roman. The brothers also find themselves sucked into a war with the Sinaloa cartel that threatens everyone's lives. To complicate things more, the brothers meet Don Marcino's young, beautiful wife, Catalina. Andres finds himself twisted up in a deadly love affair. As tensions rise between the warring cartels, Don Marcino carries out an elaborate plan to eliminate the other cartels and seize control of the drug trade throughout all of Mexico. The Tijuana cartel takes over all drug trade into the U.S. Just when the cartel seems unstoppable, Diego discovers the affair between his brother and Catalina and tries to end it. Roman also discovers the affair and tells his father. Don Marcino orders Diego to kill his brother and Catalino and secure his place in the organization or condemn his entire family to death. Diego tracks down his brother and Catalina only to discover that she is pregnant. Can Diego carry out the orders and kill his brother and Catalina? Will he protect his brother, Catalina, and their unborn child? What will he do if he can't? Carnal is a story about family, blood, power, and deceit. It's the story of two brothers chasing a dream and find it in the last place they ever thought.